It's Giving Tuesday today, so I will be sharing with you my favorite nonprofit organizations that you should be donating to today. The first nonprofit organization that I love is God's Love We Deliver. They prepare and deliver nutritious, high quality meals for people who are living with a chronic illness. They're not affiliated with any religion and they go to all of the 5 boroughs in New York City. Go to glwd.org to donate. If you can't donate and you live in the New York City area, please feel free to sign up to volunteer. I've had a blast every time I go and volunteer. They're my favorite organization and they're just amazing. Next, we have the International Rescue Committee. They help people affected by humanitarian crises to survive and recover and rebuild their lives in more than 50 countries and 28 United States cities. They also provide high quality, low cost immigration legal services for refugees and immigrants for all immigration matters in the United States. Go to rescue.org to donate. Last but not least, Safe Horizon. So they empower victims and survivors to find safety, support, connection, and hope. So if you are a victim of domestic violence, reach out to Safe Horizon. To donate, go to safehorizon.org.